Alright, what's up, y'all? I'm about to try to perform an Xbox do-it-yourself fix-it by whacking the fuck out of this Xbox. Hopefully it gives me some results, man. I don't know what to do. It's not reading nothing. It's not even really accepting any discs. You see, I try to put it in. It just stalls a little bit. I gotta force it in. And it gives me that crazy ass grinding sound. So, I'm about to attempt the whack job. Hopefully I get some results, y'all. So let's give it a try. Excuse me. So you take the disc out. Say unplug everything. Turn it off first. Unplug everything. So put it on something nice and soft so we don't scratch it up. You see I had the knife out. Alright. The disk drive is over here. Alright, say 3 good whacks. I don't know how hard. And hopefully we can get some results, y'all. So let's plug this baby back up. Give me just 1 second. Make sure I got everything right in here. Okay, got that. And the cable cord. Hopefully this works, y'all. We'll have to find out, right? Okay. Power on. Whew. Get the power on. Should take a few seconds before we get to our home screen. I was using a knife. I know this is probably one of the worst ideas I could have had trying to attempt to fix this. I should have just gone inside of it, but I ain't got time for that right now. Don't play with knives. Just a few more seconds. Should be back to our home screen. And see if our disk drive is gonna work. What's up, Xbox? Alright, let's pray for me, y'all. Nope. Do this. Unfortunately, same results. I guess gotta buy another one, man. Some bull stuff. Some bullshit. Oh, it came out correctly. Then it went in. But I'm still not getting no reading, y'all. It's not reading my disc. And I don't like that. I don't like that at all, y'all. It's not reading it. Nope. Still having bad luck. Well, I tried. It's back to the drawing board.